My AWS project is email marketing. So by this project, we can send emails to the users. We can promote the businesses, and we can do marketing. So in this project, the services used is S3 SES. This SES is plays a main. This is the main service in our project, through which we can send the emails. And next one is AWS Lambda. In this Lambda, we write code and logic. This is the S3 AWS S3. In this S3, we store the files, and event bridges for scheduling and triggering the Lambda. AWS IAM is for giving permissions. So let me demonstrate you the project. So this is the bucket, S3 bucket I created for this project. In this bucket, I uploaded two files. One file is contact.csv file, and another one is email underscore template.html file. So let me show you the files. This is the contact.csv file. In this file, I have given two attributes, first name and email. We can give random first names, and these emails should be verified emails in the SES. These emails should be two emails to which we send the emails. So next one, and this one is the HTML file from which I have taken from the ChatGPT. So we can change this HTML file according to our convenience. So here, this is the first name which is taken from the contacts.csv file and replaced in the mail to which we send hello. After that, the mail beside which first name we have given, that first name will be displayed in the email. This is the template HTML file for which I have selected for this project. And so let me show you. So this is the lambda function, and in this lambda function, this is the code I have taken for this project. These two are the S3 and SES services extracted by the Bodo 3 library in Python. This is the Python code. So this function is for S3. So it is the S3 bucket name which I have created for this project, and this is the contact.csv file which I have uploaded in the S3. So we have to change if the S3 bucket contains another name. So this is the example HTML file I have taken for the demonstration purpose. So here it extract first name from the contacts.csv and it places directly in the email template, email_template.html file. So this function is for SES. So this is the main source email from which we are sending the emails to the customers or users. So I have created a example event to check whether our project is executing fine or it have any errors. So let me show you. So I have created a policy for this project. Let me show you that policy. So this is the project policy I have created for our project. So this is a JSON code which I have included in our policy. So in this policy, we are allowing the access for S3 to get objects. That means we can retrieve the object from the S3 bucket. So the object which we have to retrieve, we have to give that ARN number of that S3 bucket here. So we have to give the ARN number of that S3 bucket. We are allowing access to send emails and send raw emails. So let me create an event schedule. So this is the event bridge. It plays a crucial role in our project as well. So we have to create a schedule. By creating a schedule, we can send emails to the users or customers. So let me give you a random name. So I leave this one as default. So this is in this schedule pattern, we can select one-time schedule or recursive schedule. By selecting recursive schedule, we can send emails after and after recursively. So by selecting one time schedule, we can send only once email, only once. So here we have to select the date to which we want to send the email to the users or customers, and here we have to select the time, particular time to which we have to send the emails. So now the time is 21:17. I am going to select the 21:20 for demonstration purpose. So here we have to select the time zone. I am selecting Indian Standard Time. So flexible time to window I am offing for now. So we have to click on next. After that, here we have to select the AWS Lambda, because to invoke that means we have to trigger the Lambda function from the schedule. So we have to select this option. So here we have to select the name of that Lambda function which we want to trigger. This is the Lambda function which I want to trigger, so I selected that. So click on next. After clicking next, this step, action after schedule completion. So this action will be performed after our schedule is performed. So by clicking delete, the schedule automatically deletes after our schedule once performed. By clicking none, the schedule will not get deleted after our schedule Lambda triggeration happened. So leave the settings as default and click on next. So we have to review the details and click on create schedule. It is taking time. Now the schedule is created. This schedule will be used to trigger the Lambda function. So now the time is 21:19. So we selected 21:20 in our while selecting. So this is the Lambda code. This is the policy which I have. First I created a policy and I created a role and attached this policy to that role, and that role is attached to the S3 bucket. Let you show that. So configuration, here permission. So yeah, this is the role which I have selected that policy, and this role is attached to this Lambda function, through which we can give instructions so that it will triggers automatically after the when event bridge is scheduled. So we have 1 minute left, so let me wait until that. So it is time now, so let me wait some time. It takes time to trigger the lambda function. This is the S3 bucket. When we save this as these contacts, when we change this name, we have to change this name in Lambda code also, so that we don't get any errors. So now the time is 12:20. Let me check if we got any emails from the source code or not. So this is the mail which is verified in the SES. So let me show you first the SES. This one also plays a major role while creating our project. So let me show you the identities. In these identities, this is the source email from which we are sending the emails. This is the identities which I have created for the sending the emails. These two are included in CSV file as well. These two files are included in CSV files as well. When we want to create another identity, that means we have to send the email to that email address. So we have to enter that email address. After clicking on the create identity, we will receive the confirmation email. After clicking on confirm email, the identity status will be verified. After verified, we can send emails to that email also. So this email email Gmail ID is verified. So this is the Gmail ID which I have verified in the SES function. So let me show you the output. So I have selected 21:20. In Indian Standard Time it is 9:20. So this is the source email from which we are selecting the emails. So this is the template, example template which I have taken from the chat GPT. So this is the first name which is extracted automatically from the .csv file. This is the template file. We can change this template according to our convenience. Let me show you the lambda triggered, when the lambda is exactly triggered, and that details. Let me show you lambda. So this is the lambda I have created for this project, and it is loading. Just wait a moment. This is the code, and to see when the lambda is triggered, we have to select the option monitor. So here it will get displayed. Let me select the local time zone. So I have to watch the lambda triggered in the past 5 minutes when we in the past 5 minutes when the in which time the lambda got triggered. So see, exactly 21:20, at 21:20 it got triggered. This is the time which I have mentioned while creating event bridge. See, so there is another way we can watch the lambda triggered time. It is CloudWatch logs. So let me show you that. It is loading. So these are the logs for my actions. So this is the recent one. Let me select that one. So let me reload it. Let me select another one. So this is the recent one. Recently, these CloudWatch log events stores the actions of our. So this is the CloudWatch logs. So let me show you that. So see the time here. This is 21:20, the exact time which I have selected while creating event bridge. So the email sent to this email is verified in this verified in SES, which is a simple email service. It is a service which we can send the emails. So the lambda is triggered exactly at the time of 21:20, which I have selected while creating the event bridge. So by this project, which is email marketing, we can send emails to the customers, and we can do marketing and businesses. So we can send reminder emails also. So this is my project. So thank you.